In the animal behavior and welfare lab, obviously, we are very in tune to the welfare of the animals, so their health and safety is our top priority, and we are constantly using alcohol wipes between each animal. We're also changing our gloves between each animal just to keep the pathogens from crossing from one animal to the next and trying to cease any interaction of sickness. With welfare in mind, we try to eliminate how much interaction we get with the calves. We use the pair pins, which gets 2 calves at one time. So when we're doing the health scores or the weights, we take the pair pin, we get 2 of the calves, and then we go and put them on the scale. And just with having 2 at one time, that eliminates how many times we have to enter the pin and disturb their daily interactions. The samples and the data that we collect are based on a grander project. With Katie's project, she takes the ultrasounds, and we use those ultrasounds to dictate the lesions that are found on the lungs and documenting that each week. Along with that, we do fecal samples, which we process here in the lab. And with those samples, we add glycerol to that sample, and it's a way to just further look at the microbiome in the gut. We apply alcohol to the calf's lung area, so on both sides we take an image of the left side and we take an image of the right side, and Katie goes pretty much throughout the length of the lungs, and she is just trying to find if there are any lesions or any markers inside the lungs that will indicate upper respiratory infection or disease. My advice to other undergraduate students that would like to get an internship here or at one of our labs here at UF, I would definitely say just reach out. Our professors and staff in general, they're super willing to immerse you in research as well. That's what I've learned in my entire undergraduate experience with this internship specifically, and as well as all the other research I have done in my time here at UF. Put yourself forward, be upfront, but obviously in a respectful way. But I would say go for it. That's been my biggest push and my biggest asset as an undergrad in everything that I have done and all the research that I have been a part of.